Minneapolis, the vibrant city nestled along the banks of the Mississippi River, offers a rich and diverse nightlife that reflects the unique character of this Midwestern gem. From bustling downtown districts to cozy neighborhood spots, the city's nocturnal scene caters to a wide array of tastes, making it a destination for those seeking an exciting and varied evening experience. The iconic downtown Minneapolis serves as the heartbeat of the city's nightlife, featuring a mix of trendy bars, upscale lounges, and lively nightclubs. Visitors can revel in the energetic atmosphere while savoring craft cocktails and exploring the dynamic cultural offerings that define Minneapolis's nightlife culture. As night falls, the Warehouse District and North Loop come alive with their historic charm and modern flair. These districts boast an array of hip bars, chic eateries, and art spaces, creating an atmosphere that attracts both locals and visitors, with a taste for the contemporary and eclectic. The Uptown neighborhood, known for its youthful energy and artistic spirit, offers a more laid-back yet vibrant nightlife scene. With its mix of dive bars, live music venues, and trendy cafes, Uptown provides a welcoming atmosphere for those seeking a diverse and inclusive evening out. For enthusiasts of live music, Minneapolis's thriving music scene showcases a variety of genres in numerous venues. From intimate jazz clubs to iconic rock establishments, the city's musical legacy continues to draw both emerging talents and well-established artists, ensuring a captivating experience for music aficionados. The Northeast Arts District, recognized for its industrial chic ambience, houses a collection of breweries, galleries, and unique nightlife spots. Embracing a bohemian vibe, this district caters to those with a penchant for the alternative, offering a creative and eclectic atmosphere. The historic Dinkytown neighborhood, adjacent to the University of Minnesota, contributes a youthful and energetic element to Minneapolis's nightlife. With its mix of student-friendly bars, local theaters, and late-night eateries, Dinkytown fosters a lively and communal environment. Minneapolis's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage is evident in nighttime events that celebrate its history and diverse communities. Various cultural centers and museums offer evening programs, allowing visitors to explore the city's rich past and cultural tapestry. In addition to its urban nightlife, Minneapolis's natural beauty remains accessible after dark. Parks along the chain of lakes and the scenic riverfront provide serene settings for nighttime strolls, picnics, and enjoying the city's skyline under the stars. Minneapolis's dedication to arts and culture extends to its range of nighttime events, including art walks, theater performances, and cultural festivals. The city's commitment to fostering a thriving arts scene contributes to its dynamic nightlife offerings, providing a platform for creative expression and cultural enrichment. For those seeking a more adventurous evening, Minneapolis's surrounding natural landscapes offer outdoor activities extending into the nighttime. From moonlit bike trails to guided nature walks, these experiences allow visitors to embrace the city's natural beauty and enjoy an exhilarating evening adventure. Minneapolis's commitment to sustainability is reflected in eco-friendly nightlife initiatives. Various establishments incorporate green practices into their operations, promoting an environmentally conscious and responsible approach to the nightlife experience. The city's dedication to fostering a sense of community is evident in its range of nighttime events and gatherings. Community-oriented initiatives, charitable fundraisers, and cultural celebrations bring people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and inclusivity. Minneapolis's embrace of technology extends into its nightlife scene, with establishments incorporating cutting-edge technologies, interactive experiences, and digital art installations. This forward-thinking approach adds a modern and innovative dimension to the city's nightlife. Minneapolis's commitment to promoting wellness is reflected in its range of nighttime wellness activities. From late-night yoga sessions to wellness workshops, the city's emphasis on holistic well-being adds a health-conscious dimension to its nightlife. Minneapolis's dedication to inclusivity and accessibility is evident in its range of nighttime venues and events, designed to accommodate diverse needs and abilities. The city's commitment to creating an inclusive and accessible nightlife environment fosters a sense of equality and empowerment. Minneapolis's culinary scene shines in its array of late-night eateries, local food trucks, and gourmet restaurants. The city's gastronomic offerings provide a delightful culinary adventure that complements the excitement of its bustling nightlife. Minneapolis's commitment to preserving its natural resources is reflected in its range of nighttime eco-tours and educational programs. Various eco-friendly tours and activities allow visitors to explore the city's pristine natural beauty while learning about sustainability and environmental stewardship. The city's dedication to preserving its cultural heritage extends into its range of traditional events and festivals. Celebrations that highlight Minneapolis's diverse cultural influences provide visitors with an immersive and educational experience. Overall, Minneapolis's dynamic and diverse nightlife scene reflects the city's progressive spirit, cultural richness, and commitment to creating an inclusive and vibrant community. From its historic districts to its natural escapes, the city's nightlife offerings cater to a wide spectrum of interests, ensuring that every visitor can find an evening experience that resonates with their unique tastes and desires.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.